Hi, Tony here from Epping Property. As you can see, this is a pretty full warehouse at the moment. These guys are going to be moving out in a month or two's time, and this warehouse is available for rent. It's located at 118 Beaufort Circle in Epping, and it's got a nice visible location. There's a good yard area at the rear, being fed by a nice large roller shutter door. We're back again in the yard area for this unit. It is a shared yard, but it's a very nice size, paved, and leads into the single roller shutter door for this unit.